Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. This video is regarding the Q-Redew hair steamer. Q-Redew Products gifted me with this hair steamer. You can use this hair steamer to restyle, detangle, condition, volumize, reshape, and stretch out hair. In this video, we are using this steamer to revive a synthetic wig of mine. Without further ado, let's get to the video. In this gift box, the manufacturer gave a thank you postcard, an instruction manual, a plastic squeeze bottle, along with the hair steamer. I really love the colors on this hair steamer. So let's get a zoom in on this bad boy. So this hair steamer is designed just like a blow dryer, and the combs are also just like a diffuser that would come with a blow dryer. So you can use this hair steamer just like as if you were to use a blow dryer with a diffuser connected to it. So those are the quick details about this hair steamer. It's looking good. The presentation is great. So let's go ahead and detach the reservoir. The reservoir is the location where we manually add the water to the hair steamer. It doesn't look like the hair steamer's reservoir can hold more than a cup of water. There's a rubber-like stopper that is connected to a rubber-like latch where you open and close the reservoir that holds the water. I've already filled up my plastic squeeze bottle that they provided with water so that I can transfer the water to the reservoir. So if you do have a lot of hair or you are steaming a lot of hair, you will have to refill the reservoir with water as needed since there is a limit. The rubber stopper is secure, so now I can reconnect the reservoir to the hair steamer. Once everything is back into place, I can finally plug in the steamer so that it can warm up. Alright, we are plugged up, so now I'm waiting for the steamer to warm up. Right now the steamer is blinking red, which indicates that the steamer is not fully warmed up yet. When it is warmed up, the light will stop blinking and become solid red. The light is solid red, so we are almost ready to start. Prior to using this hair steamer, I'm going to test it out a little bit just like you test out an iron. As a precaution while testing, I'm facing the steamer away from me. The steam looks good and the steamer itself is working, so we are ready to begin steaming some hair. So this is the wig of choice. This is a synthetic wig that I created, and yes, I know it is very nappy. I'm telling you, this wig has been through it at work. Like, they work me so hard at this job. This wig looks like they're working me hard at my job. Look at this. As expected, synthetic wigs do give up eventually. They have a time limit before they start to get nappy and tangly, but that's all right because we are going to revive it today. She's worn out, but we can bring her back to life with the steamer. No need to toss her out just yet. Before I start the reviving process, I'm going to detangle this wig with a brush. This wig is so tangled, I had to hold it down into place in order to brush out the ends. Like, the ends are so bad right now. I could cut the ends on this wig, but I would lose the color, and I really like the color on this wig. I don't want to recreate it again. So we are going to keep this length and work with what we have, okay? So let's see what this hair steamer can do for this wig. Okay, not bad at all. So now I'm getting into it. The results are looking good. I'm working hard, and this just happened. Yep, that just happened. Yep, sure did on camera. That is how nappy and tangled this wig is. This wig is about to break my wig stand. I can't have that. I just got this stand. Like, this is new. All this is saying to me is that this wig really needed this steam therapy. Oh my goodness. So the heat from the steam is helping detangle and straighten the hair and the hair ends on this wig. It doesn't look like I'm losing the hair pattern on this wig at all. The hair just looks slightly damped, and I still see the loose wave pattern in the areas that I steamed. This type of synthetic hair does have the ability to straighten up and take heat up to a certain temperature. Either way, I'm not worried if I lose the curl pattern from steaming this hair, because if it does happen, I can recreate the curl pattern with plastic hair rollers and heat, so no big deal. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and these are the results. much better. Like, this is a big difference compared to how this wig looked before. Like, I can actually comb my fingers through this hair. Before, I couldn't do that. I can comb my fingers through this hair and not have a problem. This isn't the best quality synthetic hair, but this wig does look better than how it did before. And I am happy that I don't have to throw this wig out. I don't have to start over with coloring, none of that. I can put this baby on like it never happened. If it does get tangled again, I can just use the steamer and detangle it. I am a very happy camper. I can't wait to use this steamer on all kinds of hair because of these results. Definitely check the description down below regarding this hair steamer. Alright my friends, I cannot wait to wear this wig to work again. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. Okay, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye!